Citizens across Zimbabwe are raising their voices, calling on Vice President Kosano Chiwenga to put an end to the political and economic dysfunction that has gripped the nation. For too long, Zimbabweans have watched their country drift further from the promise of independence and prosperity. Salabina mashoko panguva ino ari kuonekwa aiwa maactivist asimuka achisapota Chiwenga ndobva subscribe like on the bell kuti ibida kuna maudo anyika muchinzi. The dream of a free, fair, and thriving Zimbabwe, built on the sacrifices of liberation heroes, now views distance. Corruption, economic decay, and elite capture have clouded that vision. But the message from citizens is growing louder and clearer. This is the only nation we have, and it is ours to reclaim. Zimbabwe is rich in history, culture, and natural resources. Yet, despite this immense potential, the country remains shackled by powerful cartels that dominate key sectors of the economy. Among the most frequently cited is criminal Kodatagure, whose name has become synonymous with opaque dealings and unchecked influence. Allegations of monopolistic control over fuel, mining, and finance have sparked widespread outrage, with many accusing these networks of holding the nation hostage. This crisis is not about one individual. It is about a system that has allowed a few to thrive while the majority suffer. It is about the erosion of public trust, the collapse of essential services, and the normalization of hardships. Zimbabweans are being asked to accept less while a privileged few enjoy more. Across the country, there is a renewed call for accountability, transparency, and citizen empowerment. Young people are demanding jobs and a future. Women are organizing for justice and inclusion. Civil society is pushing back against impunity. The message is unmistakable. We will not be spectators in our own country. Reclaiming Zimbabwe from cartels means more than removing corrupt actors. It means rebuilding institutions, restoring dignity, and reimagining a future where every citizen has a stake. It means refusing to be silenced, refusing to be bought, and refusing to be broken. This is not a partisan issue, it is a patriotic one. The fight for Zimbabwe is not about politics, it is about people. It is about ensuring that the promise of independence is not betrayed by greed and self-interest. Tomashikwana kudanyuka panguva ino tudze mafunguro enyu matudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi pinda kumasection medu zamafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell.